a little bit of an exciting folder. Remember when AOL used to do kind of all of the Harry Potter promo stuff? These are AOL promo cards. It's Harry, Goblins, McGonagall, Hagrid. Oh, and Richard Harris as Dumbledore. 2001, so these were for the Philosopher's Stone. I wonder where I got those from. I think I used to get quite a lot of things from QVC, and this next item was from QVC. It's completely random that QVC would sell stuff like this, but here we are. This is Vanity Fair, October 2001, signed by Warwick Davis, who played Professor Flitwick. So it's like a little Harry Potter special. Let's see if there's any pages. Okay, it's a Harry Potter special, but it doesn't seem to have much Harry Potter. Oh, there we go. The Dursleys. Bit of Hagrid there. This one's cool. Oh, Snape. So yeah, that's a little cool bit of merchandise. I'm not really huge on getting autographs. I think they're a bit weird. Like, I did meet Warwick Davis at Comic-Con once, and I just thought it was really awkward. Like, I didn't know what to say to him. It was just, it's really strange. And I didn't get his autograph because I wasn't going to pay £15 for a scribble. Yeah, I'm a bit of a cheapskate like that, but I did get a photo. I have been given autographs as gifts. I have Robbie Coltrane's autograph, that was a gift. But I don't know if it's a real one, so I don't know. And I have Ralph Fiennes as well. But again, I don't know. I don't know if they're real. And I'm not really that bothered. If I met them in real life, and maybe that'd be different, but I'd rather get a photo with them than get them to sign something, because then it's more of a memory. But yeah, we have a Nintendo magazine with Harry Potter game on. There's a 100% chance that I did not ever read this and did just get it for Harry. Unreal. Used to get this in your cinemas. It's like a free movie magazine. This one is for Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. This box is nearly done. This, how cute is this? A little Harry Potter cup. Don't know when this is from. It's got no details. Don't know where I bought it from. Oh, the last thing in this box. I got this for Christmas a few years ago, and again, never ever played with it, but it was something that I always saw come up on eBay. And because it's a game, I just kind of never took any interest in it at all. But then I got it for Christmas. My dad, who also loves car boots, found it on a car boot sale, and I think he said he paid about £5 for it, which is an absolute bargain, because I've seen these go for, I don't know, a lot of money. And it's this, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone trivia game. The box is lovely. So you pull it out, if I can. This is from before the films, I'm pretty sure. You can usually tell by the artwork because pre-movie merch tends to have the orangey brown brick on. 2000, so way before the movie merch. Inside is this. It's like a book, which is really nice. Prefects edition, whatever that means. Then you open it up and it's got a little bit of something inside. Instructions. But look inside here. I remember being so impressed with this. These are just instructions. And look at the artwork. There's so much detail. You just really don't make things like this anymore. So I thought that was so impressive. Here's the board game. Again, so detailed. All the early Harry Potter merchandise is so detailed. It's unreal. It's beautiful. I mean, they do well with the merchandise now. The new stuff, like the Primark stuff, is really good, but the old stuff is just the best. Look at that for a game board. You've got each common room, Hufflepuffs, Ravenclaws, Slytherins down in the dungeons, Gryffindor's nice and cozy. And then inside, take this out. Look at this. I'm not going to pull it out, I'll take pictures of it and then you can see it all better. But look at that sorting hat. And there's the little figures that you play with. Yeah, it's all so nicely detailed. Ow, I've got cramp. I currently have a whole pile of Harry Potter stuff right at my feet, so I can't move. I didn't think this through. This is the box I just emptied. Now we have, oh, I didn't show you this. This Sorcerer's Stone tin, so this is American merch. This is from 2000. It's like kind of a book. It's got some weird stain on there that does not come off ever. And it's a bit dented, but then it's, I assume, come from America. Another car boot find. And it's got Hagrid on Sirius's motorbike, not Hagrid's motorbike as they have at the studio tour. It says Hagrid's motorbike in the description, and I'm always like, no it's not, that's Sirius's motorbike. We all know the films don't care about accuracy as much as they should. In here, do you know them stamps I told you about? Here they are. I don't know how anyone could have ever used these, look at them. They've got each book cover on. And then when you open it up, I'm sure there's some more inside. They've got each little house craft. And inside is just a little bit of information about where Harry Potter came from and about J.K. Rowling. These are a lovely collector's piece. I'm really happy I got these. But you can fully understand why people become stamp collectors, because the designs of some stamps are so beautiful. I can't get it back in the bloody thing. Chocolate Frog wrapper. Hoarder alert again. Why would I keep the wrapper? It's just weird. A pack of cards, unopened. Voldy on the back. I went through a phase where I didn't open anything that I bought, but now I kind of just think, why not? You only live once, as they say. So I like to enjoy me things now. There are some things where I think I won't use it, but I want to own it, so that they stay in the packaging and they're unused. But most of me things now, I just think, I love them. I want them because I want them. They're not, I don't think about, oh, in the future I'm going to sell them, so they need to be perfect. I just think about enjoying them now. We have a little stick. We've got some top trumps from Goblet of Fire. Again, another game that I've never been able to understand. This was my phone cover. Another sticker. Some odd top trumps cards. Oh, that's really cute and random. Little tiny educational decrees. That is never going to focus in a million years. But you know what they look like. And then inside the tin is that. And then I just have one last bag. I do know what's in here. It's a bag, it's open, I can see. This is just full of figures that I didn't open. So we have Professor Who Wishes, Argus Filch, Mrs. Norris in there, and Sirius and Creature. Sirius is my fave. From Order of the Phoenix figures. Bellatrix, my other fave, from Half-Blood Prince. And then, do any of you remember these? I never actually owned the toy, the toy set, but I just remember seeing the adverts for them on the telly, and it was like this slime potion making thing. And then they had, oh, now I'm saying that, I don't actually think these went with them. Maybe they did, I'm not sure. But these figures, and they had slime. And with this one, what do? You put it in the cauldron. And it's, oh yeah, there it is. The Chamber of Secrets playset. That's what I remember. These are Sorcerer's Stones. So these ones are from America again. I got these for £2 each off the car boot. And at the time when I found these, I'd been kind of hunting on eBay, just looking for bargains. And these were going for, there were some of them for around £50. There was some for more. So when I saw someone on the car boot selling these for £2 each, I had to snap them up. We've got Harry in this one. And then these ones don't have slime. We've got Harry's Invisibility Cloak. And one of those rune things again for the game. Slots to collect. I have George playing Quidditch. And we have Professor Quirrell, but as Voldemort. Oh, his face turns around, that's cool. So you can swap his face around. It's a bit creepy. I think these are some of the coolest things I own. I think they're probably extra cool because they're in the packaging. But yeah, 2001 merch. And all Sorcerer Stones, so all from America. It's really baffling me how many things that I've got that are from America, and I haven't realised that they are from there until now. There's a couple more things. More games. How many Harry Potter games can we have in this world, honestly? These are playing cards for magic tricks. Open it up. And there's a card. Look how lovely the artwork is. So this is from... It doesn't say. Again, I never played with them, which is a little sad. We have this one. Another card game. Catch the Golden Snitch, score and match. Now this sounds a bit like the card game Chase the Ace, if anyone's ever played that. But instead of catching the ace, you've got to catch a golden snitch. I could be wrong, but that's what it sounds like. We have Gryffindor and Slytherin teams. And there's the golden snitch. So that's everything that I brought back from the storage room. Comment below and let me know if you had any of these things, or do you still have these things. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe so you get a notification every time I upload. And don't forget you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I've got a blog on WordPress. I'm called Nifflers and Noggles on all of them. Some of them don't have the and, so you'll find me. I'll put some links below. That'll make it easier for you. So that's everything. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon.